In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. When you're ready, click on those three dots at the top of it and hit floating window in the pop-up. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold the same three dots and drag it. If you want to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use your app in full screen view, hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. When you see gray area, let go. To close it right away though, you can hold the same line and drag it up. If you wish to, you can always click on the same three dots to access all of those options. Full screen, minimalize, which means your app will turn into a bubble, and then you'll be able to access it by clicking on the bubble. And last but not least, close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!